In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on your Xero account. This step-by-step guide will navigate you through the process smoothly, ensuring you can update your email address without a hitch. So, whether you've recently switched email providers or your old email no longer serves you, you're in the right place. First off, start by opening your preferred browser and heading over to the Xero homepage. Xero's website is user-friendly and the process we're about to embark on is straightforward. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your account where you can make the necessary changes. Click on the login button. You'll be directed to a page where you're prompted to enter your credentials. Here you'll type in your current email address and the password associated with your Xero account. These details are crucial as they're your individual identifiers that grant you access to your account. Once you've entered your email and password, proceed to click on the login button. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here's where the real magic happens. Look towards the top right of your dashboard. You'll notice your profile photo. If you haven't uploaded a picture, this might just appear as a placeholder or an avatar. Click on this photo to extend a drop-down menu that reveals several options for modifying your account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Account. This action takes you to a new screen where you can access various settings related to your personal information and account preferences. One of these options is to change your email address. It's handy, especially if your current email no longer aligns with your needs or you want to streamline your account access with a frequently used email. Following this, you should see an option labeled Change in the email address section. Click on it. This option propels you forward in your mission to update your email address. It's a vital step as it officially kicks off the process for altering the most basic yet crucial detail of your account. Subsequently, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. It's essential at this stage to double check the email address for any typos or errors. The last thing you want is to direct all future correspondence to an incorrect address. Once confident that the email entered is accurate, proceed to the next step. Confirming your password is next on our agenda. This step is implemented as a security measure to ensure that the request to change the email is genuinely coming from you. It's an added layer of security that protects your account from unauthorized changes. Enter your current password in the designated field. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. This action confirms your new email address as the primary contact for your Xero account. It's a pivotal moment as it officially updates your account information to reflect the new email. All future communications and notifications from Xero will be directed to this new address. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of changing your email address on your Xero account. It's a simple yet essential procedure that ensures your account remains accessible and secure. Remember, keeping your account details up to date is crucial, especially in today's digital age where much of our professional correspondence takes place online. Thank you for taking the time to follow this guide. If you found this helpful, consider exploring more of our tutorials designed to make your digital experience smoother and more efficient. Until next time, happy accounting.